October 25, 2025, ang big day namin ni Mati because we have a flight going to Singapore for his second birthday. After 6 a.m. shift, diretso na po ng airport, travel tax, 1,620. Pero, dahil OFW si Babs, 300 na lang po ang binayaran. But, you need to present OEC, Overseas Employment Certificate, and original copy of marriage contract. And dahil wala pang 2 years old si Matt, he's free of charge. O diba? Early birthday gift na po yan kay Matt. And after that, pumunta na kami to check in our baggage. We have 20 kilos and 7 kilos of hand carry. After getting our boarding pass, diretso na po ng immigration. Immigration question: kailan kayo babalik? October 31. Nag-work ka ba sa government? If oo, anong position? Hindi po. After that answer, boom, tatak ang passport. 1 minute lang ang inabot namin sa immigration kasi ang laking factor na may kasama kang bata. And grabe yung preparation ko sa documents. As in, lahat ng original copies ng birth certificate, marriage contract, pati photocopy, at especially for my work. COE, payslip, lahat ng pwedeng dalhin dinala ko na, pati ID. And be ready sa e-travel. 3 days before your flight, dapat meron na po kayo nun bago kayo umalis ng Pilipinas. QR code po yun na da-download.
Airplane! Da 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 da.
Da 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 da.
Airplane na.
Airplane na! Airplane na! As you can see naman po kung gaano kami ka-excited ni Matt, especially for him because first international flight niya po yan, but second time niya nag-airplane. Kasi last year, we went to Boracay to celebrate his birthday then. And inabot yung travel time namin ng 3 hours and 40 minutes. Buti pa si Matt, may almost 2 hours na sleep. Pero ako, mga 30 minutes lang ata to 1 hour. Kasi naka-on lap siya sa akin. Nakaupo siya sa lap ko. Pero nakasulat dun sa boarding pass namin is dapat nasa left side ko siya. Pero hindi nasunod. So, ang hirap matulog na may nakakandong. Tas ang likot-likot, diba? So, after nun, welcome to Singapore! Nakarating po kami ng around 2 p.m. and sakto kasi 3 p.m. yung check-in namin sa hotel. By this time, nire-ready ko na yung SG arrival card namin ni Matt kasi kailangan yun sa immigration ng Singapore. So, dito pala, wala na silang tatak gaya sa Pinas kasi once na-scan na dun sa automated machine ng immigration, wala nang tatak. So, sayang naman, walang tatak ang Singapore. Pero, meron ka ng record sa system nila. So, okay lang din. And there you go. Kasama namin si Dada. And at this time, I'm so proud of myself. Di ko alam paano ko nalampasan yung pagod, yung likot ni Matt, yung antok. Pero grabe yun. And so, adventure begins in Singapore.